Because I do the maintenance myself, there's a lot of car. Exhaust gas that actually occurs at the site when repairs are being done. There's black smoke and there's white smoke. Especially with black smoke. It can be quite dangerous to the human body. Likewise, if more is released back into the atmosphere, air pollution would become serious again, wouldn't it? Now, when you get into maintenance, everyone thinks about issues like that, at least once. Especially since the current auto maintenance market introduced gasoline GDI engines, it now requires chemical-related additional maintenance. The claim that chemicals are involved inevitably means that white smoke will be produced as a result, so we came up with the idea. By focusing on whether there's a way to effectively eliminate any graphite and white smoke in the automotive repair market.